Ever had a headache that just won't go away? A pain that persists and preoccupies your every thought? We've all been there. Headaches, a universal discomfort, can hinder our daily routine and overall well-being. They stem from various sources like stress, poor sleep, or dehydration. These persistent pains become more than just a nuisance. They're a roadblock to our everyday lives. While some headaches may require medical attention, many can be managed with natural remedies. Here are the top 10. Coming in at number 10, we have hydration. Dehydration is a common cause of headaches. When your body lacks the proper amount of water, it can cause distress, resulting in a headache. Drinking enough water throughout the day can keep these headaches at bay. At number 9, magnesium takes the stage. This powerful mineral helps control nerve transmissions and blood vessel function, which are both key players in the headache game. Incorporating magnesium-rich foods like almonds, avocados, and bananas in your diet can be a big help. Next up at number 8, we have limiting alcohol. Alcohol not only dehydrates you but also triggers migraines in some people. Reducing alcohol consumption may significantly decrease the frequency and severity of your headaches. Number 7 is all about getting adequate sleep. Sleep deprivation can be a major trigger for headaches. Striving for a consistent sleep schedule and aiming for 7 to 9 hours of shut-eye each night can help keep headaches at bay. Halfway through at number 6, avoiding foods high in histamine is key. Histamine, a chemical found in certain foods like aged cheeses and fermented food, can trigger migraines in some people. Identifying and avoiding these foods can help reduce headache frequency. At number 5, we find essential oils, with peppermint and lavender oils being particularly effective. These oils can be inhaled or applied topically to provide relief from tension headaches and migraines. Taking a B-complex vitamin is at number 4. These vitamins play a vital role in neurotransmitter synthesis, helping to reduce headache symptoms. A daily B-complex supplement can help keep your vitamin levels in check. Cooling down at number 3, we have the cold compress. Applying a cold compress to the forehead or back of the neck can provide quick relief by numbing the pain and reducing inflammation. Number 2 is all about practicing yoga. Yoga's combination of physical postures, breathing exercises, and meditation can reduce headache intensity and frequency. And our number 1 natural remedy for headaches is drinking caffeinated tea or coffee. Caffeine constricts blood vessels, which can alleviate headache symptoms. But remember, moderation is key, as too much can lead to withdrawal headaches. Enjoy a cup when the pain starts to creep in, and see if it makes a difference for you. Now you may be wondering, why should I try these natural remedies instead of just taking a pill? Well, let's delve into that. Natural remedies often come with fewer side effects than over-the-counter or prescription drugs. They work in harmony with your body, gently soothing and healing without upsetting your system. Moreover, they can be more cost-effective. Many of these remedies can be found right in your kitchen or garden. No need to spend a fortune on expensive medicines when nature has already provided the cure. But beyond treating your headache, natural remedies can contribute to your overall health and wellness. They help your body to heal and strengthen itself, promoting balance and resilience. This can result in not just less frequent headaches, but also improved energy levels, better sleep, and a stronger immune system. So the next time you feel a headache coming on, remember these 10 natural remedies. They may just save your day. Headaches can be a real pain, but they don't have to ruin your day. We've journeyed through 10 natural remedies, from peppermint oil to ginger tea, each offering a way to combat that nagging throb. So why not give them a try? You never know which one might turn out to be your personal headache hero. Remember, everyone is different, and what works for one person may not work for another. Listen to your body,